Hey guys, just like a lot of you, I woke up this morning and looked at the news and saw that Trump had contracted COVID, and in turn, the stock market and the cryptocurrency markets both had a substantial drop. We had a terrible September, and that's traditionally the worst month of the year. And as the beginning of October begins, we start to wonder if we are now entering October. And are we in a bear market? And so I get a lot of questions of where do you put your money in a bear market? Where can you put your money where it actually makes money when the stock market is going down without actively trading? Where can you just let it sit and it makes money? Well, I have two great options for you. Uh, First off, I want to talk about bonds. Bonds are not necessarily a great option. A lot of people think about putting their money in bonds during a down market, but in reality, bonds just follow the market. They're more conservative, but they still go down when the market goes down and goes up when the market goes up. So two great options for you. A lot of traditional investors that are in a traditional stock market trading company can put their money into USDU, which is the dollar long. If you look at what USDU did back in March, it actually went up 20%. So when the rest of the market is crashing, the dollar is going up. So you can put your money there. It's a good hedge if you aren't currently hedging against a potential bear market. You might consider putting your money in USDU. So take a look at that. Another great option is actually in the cryptocurrency market. So something new happened in cryptocurrencies this year, and that's the ability to earn interest. So cryptocurrency has been around for a while. They kind of blew up in 2017 when Bitcoin jumped tenfold over the course of the year, and all the altcoins went up like 1,000% or more. A lot of millionaires were made. I think that was when the first Bitcoin billionaire was created. Long story short, you can make money in cryptocurrency conservatively, not just buying these really crazy coins that go up and down. Like Bitcoin is really dramatic in how it goes flying high and crashing low. It went down to 3,000 in March, and now it's up to 12,000. So it's quite volatile. It does actually follow the market a little bit too. You'll notice if you compare it to the generalized market charts, it does follow it. So it's not really a conservative bet. You can make interest on your Bitcoin now. You can make up to about 6% interest just holding Bitcoin. But I think another great option is to buy what's called a stable coin. So a stable coin actually mimics the dollar. So it's always worth a dollar, and you can actually earn up to 12% interest on that dollar just by letting it sit there without the volatility you find in Bitcoin or any of the other altcoins. So I'm going to put a link down below of the company I use to purchase a lot of my cryptocurrency, and they offer really good earning interest rates. And so you can buy some of those stable coins like DAI, USDC, USDT, that will allow you to hold cryptocurrency and earn 12% interest. So take a look. Let me know your thoughts. Where would you put your money? Would you put it in real estate? I know interest rates are really low right now. A lot of people are thinking that. Let me know where you're putting your money.